it's growing closest to Pakistan. Yes, this is Bangladesh currently, but what if I tell you the current situation in Bangladesh has its roots back to 1971? 1971 war. East Pakistan became Bangladesh and India was the one who held Bangladesh. So back then, why Sheikh Mujibur Rahman wanted freedom from Pakistan was because he was denied the political right to become the Prime Minister of Pakistan because his party, Awami League, had won a clear majority. Even before independence, it was the Bengali Muslims who were most vocal about creation of Pakistan. In Lahore session 1942, it was the Bengal CM back then who had moved the resolution for creation of Pakistan. In 1946, it was Jinnah then that gave a direct action call in Kolkata, which led to massacre of Hindus and Sikhs. Pakistan never forgot the humiliation it faced in 1971 and has always since then tried to destabilize India. Punjab, Kashmir, and in recent time, Delhi blast and the series of terror attacks that was planned across India, but the plan failed. But what materialized was the plan that it executed in Bangladesh. A planned overthrow of Sheikh Hasina, a pro-India government, reinstating of a puppet Muhammad Yunus, and a radicalized youth movement which was disguised as students' protest. They had openly threatened India and now after the death of the student leader now have stormed into parliament and have demanded implementation of Shariat law. India needs to maintain a close watch. Bangladesh has a porous border with India, West Bengal and Assam. Developments in West Bengal is worrisome. There has been increasing radicalization and there is a need to impose president's rule in the state until the situation gets normalized.